C is a powerful and versatile programming language widely used in various fields of software development. It is a foundational language for many others, serving as the basis for languages like C++, Java, and even Python. Dennis Ritchie developed C in the 1970s at Bell Labs, revolutionizing the way we write software. It gained popularity for its efficiency and portability, making it a go-to choice for system programming and embedded systems. C allows direct control over hardware, which makes it ideal for system programming, operating systems, and even game development. C is a procedural programming language, meaning it follows a sequence of steps to execute tasks. These steps are defined within functions, which are blocks of code designed to perform specific tasks. Functions help organize code and make it reusable, enhancing the efficiency and readability of your programs. C uses a simple syntax, making it relatively easy to learn for beginners, yet powerful enough for experienced developers. C is a compiled language, which means you need a compiler to translate your code into executable machine code. The compiler turns your code into machine-readable instructions, enabling your programs to run efficiently on various hardware. C code is highly portable, allowing it to run on different operating systems with minimal changes, making it a versatile choice for cross-platform development. Learning C offers several benefits for aspiring programmers. Firstly, C provides a deep understanding of computer fundamentals. It gives you insights into how software interacts with hardware. This knowledge is invaluable for any programmer. Secondly, C is known for its efficiency and speed. It is a compiled language, which means it is converted directly into machine code. This results in faster execution times compared to interpreted languages. Thirdly, C is widely used in various domains. From operating systems to embedded systems, C's versatility is unmatched. Learning C opens up a wide range of career opportunities. C's influence can be seen in various fields, making it one of the most versatile programming languages. It is the backbone of many operating systems including Linux, Windows, and macOS, which are essential for both personal and professional use. These systems rely on C for their core functionalities, ensuring stability and performance. C is also widely used in embedded systems, which are integral to modern technology. These are computer systems embedded within larger devices providing specific functionalities. Examples include cars, appliances, and industrial machinery, all of which rely on C for efficient operation. C's efficiency and low-level control make it suitable for resource-constrained environments, where performance is critical. Furthermore, C plays a crucial role in game development, powering some of the most popular games. Many popular game engines, such as Unity and Unreal Engine, use C or its close relative, C++, to create immersive experiences. C's performance capabilities are well suited for the demanding requirements of game graphics and physics, making it a preferred choice for developers. To start programming in C, you need to set up a development environment. This is the first step towards becoming proficient in C programming. This typically involves two main components: a text editor and a compiler. Both are essential tools for writing and executing your code. A text editor allows you to write your C code. It can be as simple as Notepad or as advanced as Visual Studio Code. A compiler is a program that translates your C code into machine executable instructions. Without a compiler, your code cannot run. Popular C compilers include GCC, which stands for GNU Compiler Collection, and Clang. These are widely used in the industry. These compilers are available for various operating systems including Windows, macOS, and Linux. Once you have a compiler installed, you can start writing C programs. This is where the fun begins. A simple C program consists of a main function and any necessary libraries. The main function is crucial as it is the starting point of your program. The main function is the entry point of your program. It is where the execution of your code begins. Libraries provide pre-written code for common tasks. They save you time and effort by offering reusable code. To compile your C program, you can use the command line or an integrated development environment, often referred to as an IDE. Both methods have their own advantages. IDEs provide a user-friendly interface for writing, compiling, and debugging code. They often come with additional features like syntax highlighting and code suggestions.